Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 868, binary gap. This is an easy one and here I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. We are given a positive integer n, so let's say that we are given number 22. This is the base 10 representation of 22. And the binary number in this case, meaning the base 2 representation, is 10110. Remember that this position corresponds to 2 to the power of 0, then we have 2 to the power of 1, and so on. For this example, we need 1 2 to the power of 4, meaning 16, plus 0 2 to the power of 3, plus 1 2 to the power of 2, meaning 4, plus 1 2 to the power of 1, meaning 2. The sum of this is 22, and this corresponds to the base 10 representation of the number. So we need to find and return the longest distance between any two adjacent ones in the binary representation of the number that we are given. If we are given this number, here we have 3 ones, and adjacent ones are these two and these two. The distance between these two is 1, and the distance between these two is 2. So the largest possible distance is 2, meaning we return 2. So we can iterate bits from right to left, starting from position 0, meaning from the least significant bit. And we are using a variable last to keep track of the last one that we've seen. This is initially something that's out of bounds, so let's start with -1. And the result is initially 0. So first we are here, and given that this is a 0 and we are looking for ones, we can just continue, which means we can right shift this binary number, meaning remove the least significant bit, and update the position to the next one. Now we are here and last is -1. This means that this is the first one that we see, and we need at least 2 to get some valid distance. So at this point we can update last to the current position, meaning position number 1, right shift this, meaning remove the least significant bit, and update the current position. Here we have another one, so we check what do we have in last, and we have a 1. So we can take the current position, which is 2, minus what we have in last, 1, and the result here is 1. This means that the distance between these two set bits is 1. And the maximum between 1 and what we have in the result is 1, so we update this. And given that this is a 1, we need to update last to the current position, which is 2. Here we have a 0, so we can just continue. Here we have another one at position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do 4 minus what we have in last, and the result is 2. 2 means that the distance between these two adjacent ones is 2. So in the result we keep the maximum between 1 and 2, which is 2. So now we update last with the current position, this is 4. We can right shift this, which means remove this bit, and now this is 0, so we end here and return 2. Time complexity here is big O of log n, because this is the amount of bits that we have in some number. Remember that we are iterating bits from right to left, and space complexity is big O of 1. So with this in mind, now let's go with the code. First, we can say that the result is 0. We start from position 0, and the last set bit, meaning bit that's 1, is initially at -1. It's out of bounds. So now we can say while the number is different from 0, we can say if n modulo 2, meaning the least significant bit, is equal to 1, we can check if last is different from -1, meaning if we have already seen another one, we can update the result with the maximum between what we have in the result and the current distance, which is given by the current position minus last. And whenever we find a 1, we need to update last with the current position. Now we need to right shift the binary number, so we do n right shift equal 1, and we update the position to the next one. And finally we can return result. So this is the entire code. Now let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.